Back at CES, I took a quick look at the Belkin Auto Tracking Stand Pro, and now it's officially available for anyone who's interested. Now, typically, I wouldn't be overly interested in this type of product. After all, there are actually quite a few stands out there that can track people's movements. However, this is one of the first to use Apple's DocKit framework. Now, like some of you out there, I had no idea that DocKit was even a thing until I saw this product. Apparently, Apple has quietly developed a framework that allows compatible motorized stands, known as dock accessories, to track the location of objects in video frames. And so with all of that, it actually makes setting up one of these stands incredibly simple. Once it's turned on, you just simply tap your phone to the NFC pairing logo that's on the stand here. A prompt labeled Tracking Dock Connect to Stand Pro will then appear. And after some configuration from the stand, you're ready to go. It's that easy. Just like anything that Apple does, like connecting to Airpods and all of that, it's super simple. Your iPhone connects via the MagSafe mount up here, and you can move it around if you need to. It's super convenient. And when you see the green dot at the bottom, you will then be able to start creating content or take a hands-free FaceTime call while moving around and doing what you got to do. And this thing will just track your movements. While I'm not entirely sure what I would use this for beyond FaceTime and maybe some shots where auto tracking might actually be semi-helpful for a video, it could be perfect for short form creators who do a lot of movements in their videos and need an extra pair of hands, quote unquote, but don't actually have somebody there to film you. So if you're a dancer, this is fantastic for you. Now, recording in landscape is best for fast dynamic movements, but horizontal recording is also, of course, possible. The dock is compatible with many DocKit enabled apps, including TikTok, Instagram, of course, the built-in camera app on your iPhone, and FaceTime. The stand follows you around in full 360 degrees horizontally and up to 90 degrees vertically. The Stand Pro has an internal battery that can provide up to 5 hours of motion tracking, so you don't actually have to have this thing plugged in all the time. It's a wireless product. However, iPhone charging functionality is disabled when the stand is unplugged. So you can use this docked, plugged in, and it'll charge your iPhone at the same time. But of course, the moment you unplug, you will not be able to charge your iPhone. The Belkin Auto Tracking Stand Pro retails for $179, and of course the links are in the description down below. But I want to hear from you. What do you think of this product? What would you use it for? Please share your creative ideas in the comments down below. But in the meantime, go follow us on TikTok, where I'll now be exclusively creating dancing tutorials. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.